Good morning guys, Happy New Year. Today is January 1, 2026. So here is the view of our place in Yuka, Finland. And Happy New Year po to everyone. To those who are watching now, thank you for your supporting this Nyox personal vlogs. Okay, pasilip lang natin ang araw ngayon. Wala pa akong pasok ngayon. Ito yung ice, oh, parang nagkikristal siya, oh. Sobrang lamig po, -25 now. Ay, tinanggalan ko ng mga yelo yung kahapon. So baba tayo dito. Dito tayo nagbaon ng alak kagabi. Grabe guys, napakalamig yung sasakyan namin, oh. Talagang sobrang lamig. Ganda ng ano ngayon, ng weather ngayon, oh. May araw. Auring ko paista. Note on auring ko paista. Ayun, shout out again to everyone and bye bye, keep safe. Ayan, mag-ingat kayo palagi. Nabay simulan natin ang ating bagong New Year sama-sama. Yun lang. Keep safe always and bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.